What is good, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we're just taking out our brother-in-law, showing him the sights around the neighborhood. We're at Baldwin Park area. We're gonna go to Santa Fe Dam. He's riding the Super73 RX 60-volt version behind me, and Crystal's here riding along on the ONYX RCR. We have about an hour to ride until he has to go back home. So we're just gonna show him some sights, show him around, get him the feel of what e-bike is. He's actually an experienced motorbiker, but he's very young. He's only at 16. And he's already gone like 70 miles per hour on like mini motorbikes. We were supposed to go mountain biking, but his parents are actually like only an hour and 20 minutes away, so that's not enough time. So again, we're just showing him around the neighborhood. Ooh. We're gonna go fast. It's the time to go fast. Lasted a little bit, so straight away. Why not? Good quality time for them. Clear. Let's get it. We're almost at Santa Fe Dam. Alright. Obviously, obey traffic laws, okay? I wouldn't leave you behind, alright? You alright? Okay. You haven't been here, have you? There's a big lake back there. 3 musketeers today. We gave him one of the slower motorbikes. That 60-volt Super 73 only goes at 37 miles per hour. Mine is about 42, 43 miles per hour. Crystal has the fastest bike today, and she has like a ONYX RCR, obviously like a 55 mile per hour bike. Alright, it's past 5 o'clock. I'm pretty sure there's no more payment, no more parking fees that I know of. First stop will be the docks. Take some pictures of these siblings at the docks. It's as busy as it gets here, actually. Lots of people barbecuing and already doing some tent canopies and stuff like that. Today isn't camping day, but people are popping up tents.
Nobody gets stressed.
Picture spot. Just gonna get a picture of you guys. Alright, we'll take these guys. Next stop would be like around Irwindale, Azusa area. None of us have full charge today, but again, we're only out for like an hour. Oh, pizza. Someone dropped their pizza. That was like a full pizza too. What a waste. Push your headlights. Your headlights, push it. Yeah, so that way your rear lights are on too. Time out. Crystal, just keep going up until the bridge, okay? Go at whatever speed that is safe for you guys, alright? You know the bridge that makes a left? Just keep going. Alright, Crystal will be leading. You could ride with her too. Feel free. Yeah, feel free to ride with her. It's all empty here. We'll probably go after Azusa, Encanto Park in Duarte. We'll probably hit that up. my lights aren't on. Oh, it is on. Yeah, go. Crossing the bridge. Do a brake stop. Alright, just follow me. Alright, all clear. See if anyone needs a restroom break, or we're definitely gonna rest a little bit here. Take a picture of you guys really quick. This is a good picture background here. Alright, follow me. Darion's trying the ONYX RCR. Let us know what you think about that, alright? Heading back. How do you like that one so far? You like it more than this one? Because it's faster. Of course. I'm surprised he likes the RCR more. He just likes that speed, you know, coming from a gas motorbiker. Most people I know like the Super 73 more, just because of the aesthetics, right? Sometimes the aesthetics win oftentimes over the performance. Is your bike bigger than any of these, or is your motorbike smaller or bigger? As is that one or this one? Also, it's kind of like that's, you're like,
Handlebars are higher.
oh, handlebars are higher. Okay. And how many cc is it?
210.
Oh, you're a 210.
But it's not stock.
Yeah, that's like one of the highest you can get, right?
Yeah.
What did you start out with? Did you start out with like a 50?
Oh no, just 210.
You started at a 210?
I got used to it.
And you got used to it? Got it. Oh, that's a gas motorbike right there. What was that? 50? You could see it, or you could hear it, or oh, so 210 is louder or what?
Way louder.
Way louder. Interesting. Crystal, what's your voltage? All right, you'll be fine. She does have dual batteries, but once the 60 volt battery dies, her bike will only be a 30-mile-per-hour bike. 1, 2. Okay. All right. So feel free to get if you want to fly with that, but as long as no one's around, you know what I mean. So make a U-turn. You could go this way or that way. Feel free to get a feel for that top speed and stuff, but be careful. Drive carefully. All right. Responsibly. Just let the kid have his fun. The kid likes to go fast.
I think Jesse put him on his motorcycle when he was a baby. He always wanted a motorcycle.
When he's a baby? I would not do that. A baby? Okay. After this, we'll trade back because I know you're not comfortable with that bike.
I want to make back to my house. I haven't even checked my...
We like to go here when the sunset's setting. It's a nice view. Anyhow, we're gonna be heading back, do some family quality time. Very good ride today, very good leisure ride. That's gonna be in today's vlog. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on the Super73, an aerial rider, or a DIY bafang kit. This is E-Bike Adventure signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.